power is the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. A number raised to the power of 2 is called number square. To the power of 3, number cube. Let's take some questions. What is the value of 2 to the power of 6? 2 to the power of 6 is 2 multiplied 6 times, equals 64. What is the value of 10 to the power of 7? 10 to the power 7 is 10 multiplied 7 times, equals 1 followed by 7 zeros, or 10 million. What is the value of 3 square into 5 cube? 3 square is 3 multiplied twice, 3 into 3. 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5. Multiplied, it comes to 1125. What is 3 cube? 3 cube equals 3 into 3 into 3 equals 27. What is 10 to the power 0? Anything to the power of 0 equals 1. So 10 to the power of 0 equals 1.